Guys, welcome to another video. So in this video, we are going to see about entomology. So in entomology, there are 23 types of classes, as you know. So let's get into the anatomy of entomology. So before knowing the classes, we should know about classes like parts, legs, wings, and habitat, and mode of transmission. So in first class, like this insects, the head and thorax will be present in insects. In Archida, the abdomen and cephalic part will be there. In crustacea, the abdomen cephalic part will be there. So, what's the differences? The Archinda and crustacea, the head will be absent. The head and thorax will be absent in Archinda and crustacea. So, these are the important points that you should know. And coming to legs, the insects have three pairs of legs, and Archida have four pairs of legs, and crustacea have five pairs of legs. So in wings, only insect have wings like mosquito, Aedes, culex. These guys have wings. In Archida and crustacea will be they don't have any wings. And coming to habitat, so crustacea, the other two classes, which is insects and Archida, have land type of habitat, which is land breeders. So cyclops, which those who are staying in hostels, they might get the cyclops. So next, coming to the mode of transmission, as you know, the mode of transmission is basically three types: propagative, cyclo-development, and cyclo-propagative. Propagative means in propagative where the bacteria is multiplied fast before entering the host. For example, plague. Cyclo-development, filariasis is the best example because in filariasis, microfilaria happens at nocturnal, so that many will take a nocturnal sample from filariasis patients. So remember like that. Cyclopropagative, as you studied in malaria, merocytes changing into gametocytes. That one, the shape will be changing. Malaria. So coming to the main part of this video, you will be seeing about the mosquitoes. So mosquitoes will be divided into Anopheles and Pulsicine. So in Anopheline, only Anopheles is the example, and in Pulsicine you will be seeing about three classes: Culex, Aedes, and Mansonia. So coming to Anopheles, basically Anopheles will be in inclined position, like inclined. That it will be facing down. Example malaria. The breeding will be in clean water, uh, like fish water, tap water. You know, coming to eggs. So the eggs will be having a lateral floats, imaginary lateral floats will be there. So for example, this is the egg, and the lateral floats will be this is the imaginary lateral floats. And this is egg. So this is how the eggs will be in Anopheles. Coming to larva states. So the development will be inside the water. So this is the egg of the larva. So just under this is water. So just underneath the water, the larva's development will take place. So this is about the Anopheles. So next we move on to Culex. Culex disease, Japanese encephalitis, lymphatic filariasis. So these are the two diseases which spread by Culex, and it mainly breeds in dirty waters. While looking at the eggs, the Culex eggs will be in clusters. So coming to larva, in larva it has a tube called siphon tube. So from this larva, this siphon tube goes to the surface of water and it gets respiration. So oxygen will be coming down. So this is about larval stage of Culex. Coming to peak biting time, the peak biting time will be at midnight around 12 o'clock or 1 o'clock. So this is the peak biting time of Culex. And the bite will be stingy or burning bite. Sorry, burning bite will be either stingy or burning type of bite. And the resting position differs from Anopheles. Anopheles, the resting position will be inclined. In Culex, the position will be like hunching back. Because all previously I said that only Anopheles have head and thorax. So due to absence of neck, these Culex mosquito will be hunching back. And the flight range will be 11 to 13 kilometers, which is highest. The highest flight range is 11 to 13 kilometers. And body and wings will be brown color. And it does that sound in midnight, mosquito sound. So next we will be seeing about Aedes mosquito. So before going to Aedes, please comment what are the diseases spread by these three mosquitoes. So let's go into Aedes mosquito. So mainly Aedes spreads dengue, yellow fever, chikungunya. So these are the diseases caused by Aedes. And breeding place. Breeding place will be artificial waters like tire water, flower pots. And next, we are going to see about its development. Uh, we know that since we studied in school that every mosquito have this development like pupa, larva, and adult. Egg, pupa, larva, adult. Yeah. So the egg will be cigar shaped. Larva will be bottom feeder like siphon tube as Aedes. Aedes and Culex have siphon tube, and the peak biting time will be before 2 hours and after 2 hours of sunset. Habitat will be inside the house, and the bite will be painful, and the resting position will be parallel to ground. The flight range will be 100 to 200 meters. So Aedes is the lowest flight range, 200 meter. Culex has the highest flight range, and body and wings will be tiger kind of strips in inside its body. Like it is called as a tiger mosquito. So next, coming to Mansonia. In Mansonia, there will be a one disease, lymphatic filariasis, and breeding place will be large water with aquatic inside the plants, like which you see in temples, lakes, and the eggs will be star-shaped clusters. The peak biting time will be morning and evening will be the peak biting time. And coming to bite, relatively painless. Resting position will be squat. Flight range is same as Anopheles, 2 to 3 kilometers. Body and wings, long legs and long body. So thank you guys. So I will be covering few topics for next video. So bye. Thank you.